Hey, fourth graders, we're continuing in our memory packet, which eventually I would like your parents to bring into school. I don't want them to bring it in yet because I'm going to give them a list of, actually I'm going to give you a list of things to gather for your parents to bring in, and then I can put them in your memory book, okay? So Mrs. Hagen got a little head start on coloring hers here, but please color yours because it makes your memory book look really, really nice. So it's not an option not to color. So color the emojis and the letters the best that you can. The letters are a little bit harder. Maybe you want to use colored pencil. That's up to you. On this page it says, what is your best memory from this school year? So I'm going to suggest that you write down 2 things that you liked about distance learning. You don't need to fill in the whole paper. I think a sentence for each one would be great. I don't just want one-word answers, okay? And then have fun with your coloring. Today we are doing pages 3, 4, and 6. This is page 3. And then we are going to do page 4 and 6 next. So pause the video if you want to finish these up first. And then meet me on page 4. All right, guys, here we are on page 4. Okay, I'm still kind of working on my coloring. Okay, you can color it however you want. I even have some crazy rainbow teeth up on my one smiley. And so this is where it says end of school year selfie. Okay, so you can do your head, you can do your whole body. I prefer you not do a stick figure because, you know, you're a future 5th grader. That's what it says down here. So once again, coloring your letters, coloring your emojis, and you wouldn't believe how nice it looks when you take your time on it, guys, because otherwise your memory book doesn't look as nice, okay? Oops, ignore that. So you're going to use your pen to possibly do your whole body. Maybe you want to draw like a favorite shirt or something like this, okay? However you want to do it. If you just want to do your head, I'm fine with that too. Okay, however you want to do it, okay? Mrs. Hagen's just doing a quick drawing here, so yeah, figure out how you want to do it, and if you want to add some background colors, like, you know, something crazy like that, or not. So, and then meet me on page 6. The coloring might actually take you the longest on this, guys, okay? But I will meet you on page 6. All right, so I didn't finish coloring my letters yet, but I started my emojis, okay? And you are going to use just your pencil on this and fill in the information about yourself. So your name, how old you are, your birthday, your teachers. For right this year, it was a little bit of a different year, but you could also list like Mrs. Hagen here, okay? Your pencil will not be purple. You could also put a favorite specialist there, okay, so because they are also your teachers as well. All right, and then if you have any teachers, like you might have speech or other different things that you go to, might be a reading specialist, anything like that could be listed there. All right, and then favorite subject, subject would be like math, reading, social studies, science. Favorite group activity, that could be a Google Meet activity. Favorite project could just be a homework assignment that we worked on. My teacher is best at, ooh, be kind there. Favorite book we read as a class. You might remember a movie or a book that we watched. And then down here, these are just your personal favorites, like your favorite food, your best friend, your book, your TV show. Try not to write nothing for some of those, okay, because that doesn't tell us a lot about you. So do your best to write a name for every single one of those, okay? And that is it for today, guys. So make sure that you're saving this packet in a special place. You're also sending me your pages, just like you always do, but you're saving the actual packet at your house. Thanks, guys.